In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Smartsheet dashboard. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to invite the right people, set the right level of access, and confidently hit share without second guessing. First, make sure you're looking at the dashboard you want to share. It helps to confirm you've opened the correct one, especially if you work with multiple dashboards that look similar. Once you're on the right screen, head to the top left corner and click File. This opens a small menu with options related to your dashboard. From here, choose Share. This is the central place where you'll control who can see and collaborate on your dashboard. When the sharing window appears, you'll see a field where you can add people. Start typing a name, a group, or an email address. If your organization uses groups, adding a group can save time and keep access consistent across team members. As you type, you may see suggestions. Pick the correct one to avoid inviting the wrong person. If you're entering an email address manually, double-check the spelling. A small typo can send an invite to the wrong place or cause your invitation to fail. Next, look for the permissions drop-down next to each person or group you've added. This is where you decide what level of access they'll have. View-only access is great for stakeholders who just need to stay informed. Editor-level access is helpful for collaborators who will update content or manage widgets on the dashboard. Administrator-level access should be reserved for trusted teammates who might need to adjust high-level settings or manage sharing themselves. When in doubt, start with the least access necessary and increase it later if needed. Take a moment to review your list. Make sure everyone who needs access is included, and that each person's permission level matches their role. This quick check can prevent mix-ups and keep your data safe and organized. When everything looks right, click Share. Smartsheet will apply the permissions you selected and send invitations to the people you added. Recipients typically get an email notification with a link to the dashboard, and anyone already in your Smartsheet environment will be able to access it immediately according to the permissions you set. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. You opened your dashboard, clicked File, selected Share, added people by name, group, or email, set their permissions, and finished by clicking Share. Now your team can view and collaborate on the same source of truth with confidence.